Today I'm going to talk about a way to improve your photographic storytelling skills. Reading photo books. What is different between photos individually printed and photos in a book? I think there are three big differences. First, photo books have a limited number of photos. In other words, photos in a book were carefully selected by the photographer or the editor. Second, photos in a book were compiled under a theme, so it's coherent, while individual photos are not necessarily. Third, photos in a book were put in the order that the photographer or the editor intended, so photo books create visual context and stories that individual photos don't by themselves. Therefore, you can learn things about how to tell stories with photos in a more articulate way by reading photo books. This can be crucial, especially if you want to make your own photo books. You might ask, okay then, what photo books should I start reading with? That's a good question, but I can't answer it. Because there are so many kinds of photo books and people's tastes are very different. So I'll share my own way to find good photo books for me, reading books about photo books first. Personally, I would recommend a book titled The Photo Books, A History by Martin Parr and Gary Badger. This book introduces more than 600 photo books in 3 volumes, so each volume deals with more than 200 photo books. The authors group photo books in chapters under different historical and thematic topics. Also, the writers begin every chapter by providing some general context for the photo books in the chapter. Thus, this book would be good for you not only to find good photo books, but also understand the context about the photo books. I usually read an article about a photo book from the book The Photo Book, A History on a daily basis. And if I get into a certain photo book, I Google it and check out related information, including videos of the photo book. If I really want to check out a photo book in person, then I try to borrow that book from a public library or even buy a copy. Personally, I've learned so many things about photography and making photo books by reading photo books this way, so I highly recommend reading photo books and sharing your experience on Instagram, of course with the hashtag IVSL_read photobooks. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time.